Alright, y'all. We're gonna see if we can let lightning strike twice in the same day. We're finna go in this spot here in the bottom. Jeremy said there was a gobbler down here a while ago. Went down this bottom, so we're gonna go make him.
Down in there.
We're gonna go call him in and shoot him in the face right quick.
Sounds good.
I like it.
Let's
You
do
like it? You wanna do that? You wanna do that too?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna leave the GoPro here just so it'll happen. See y'all in a minute. Now that would be funny. Go make them famous. This is my favorite way to kill turkeys. Just gonna try to back up. I think we back up and try to call him around the corner. That'd be the best thing to do. Looking, he's looking. All right, good. Go ahead and go. Just go. If you want to move, get over my shoulder. But you better hurry. If you want to do it, better hurry. Let's get right there. Strutting it, yep. Shoot him. I'll let him walk a little more. Right there. Yep. There, one more time. Turn. One more time. Today. Mid gobble, baby. Attaboy.
Now we got Xtreme Osceolas, baby. We are now.
I was like, dude.
That was intense there.
Midday, baby. Midday. He got a paintbrush on him. Midday. Come in here. Easing in. Hit the call, boom. Here you come. Called 3 times, 2 times, I don't even know. Give him a little soft purr at the end, close the deal.
That's perfect.
That footage gotta be sick right there, dude. That's turkey hunt 101. Midday, make them hammer, make them flock. Oh, I'm shaking a little bit on that one, y'all. That's why I turkey hunt, right there. If they don't do that, I don't want to do it. Good look at him. Oh, he got some hooks too, buddy. I shot his beard too. Oh, what's going on with this thing?
Big beard too.
All right. It's getting out of hand.
I just go for him. Why are you shooting low?
I don't know. I mean, it's working.
That's killing him. Ain't no doubt about that.
If you worried about beard, it might not be the best. We're gonna call that tagged out in Florida. How about that, y'all? Again. Hey, another good bird. Got good. One for short, other one's a little long. Again, he had a thicker beard. I just trimmed it a little bit for him. But he still probably got a same as that last one, 8 or 9 inch beard. Some dang good hooks, though. 37.5 pounds. You know.
A little farther shot. 89 yards.
Yeah, 89.5. All right, Owen, guess who you get to go with now? Big Mike.
That was quick. That's impressive. That's turkey hunting there.
32 yards. You can't make this up some days. I just told y'all I was leaving the GoPro in the truck. We was finna go get another turkey. And there he is. Did you really think I was gonna go like that?
No, I didn't.
Did you, Owen?
What's that?
Did you think we were gonna go kill another one?
Of course.
That's why me and Owen on this team.
Knew we'd kill another. I said no, it'd take us 5 minutes. I figured it'd take us a little bit, an hour.
No, we was gonna give it 30.
Yeah.
But instead it took us 5. So when you're hot, you're hot.